Hey, welcome back to Stark Reality Garage. I'm in the driveway today. Jeep's in the garage, but the MR2's out here and I got something new for it. So I'll show you my next little addition. You can see I got the front open, the trunk or frunk or hood or whatever you want to call it. And I've got all the plastics out, the spare tire out, all that kind of good stuff, which has been great for getting things done. But you'll notice the one thing missing is across the middle here. And I just got it today. And it's a new TRD front strut support bar. So I hunted around for these things and found that they still have these things brand new. And the price was pretty good, definitely well under 200 bucks. So pretty good option. So it's about the simplest install in the world. So I'm going to get this put in. Gotta love an impact driver. All right, so it's that easy. I know the adjustable ones that are out there, you need to like lift the car and set it up and then lock in the adjustments, but because this is a TRD, it is already set at the right length exactly. Now we'll stop some flex. Everybody on the forums says this has a real significant impact on performance and the handling, so the only way to test that out is go take it for a spin, so we'll do that next. It's funny, the opposite side does not come up as much as it used to. It's generally smooth. That'll work. All right, so it was a nice spin in the car. It's running so good. And I would say that it's running, that has really helped. It seemed like the front did not come up as much when you go around corners. Each corner of the up front didn't come up quite as much, didn't feel as loose. So again, this is a seat of the pants kind of thing. I've got, you know, the bracing underneath now and that front strut brace. That's all I've added. That's all I'm really planning to add right now. I've got suspension still to do, and then get on to maybe some of the fun cosmetic stuff. But the car is doing really great. It drives so nice right now. So the bracing's good. Gotta like it. Well, hopefully it works for you. See you next time.